guys, I'm going to do a review of this PC Rippled Kettle Cook Hot Honey Lime. This was on sale. If you guys want to read the ingredients, there it is. Pause the video. Here's a Nutri panel, and let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so there's the chip. It's got a kick to it. That lime really comes through, and you do get the sweetness of the honey. This is actually really good, guys. Alright, we'll see you on the next video.